Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amafenzi TV, Bafethu. It's your boy Sipiwe Diolambata Bafethu. I'm with the legend AJ15. AJ Okran.
Right, but
AJ Bafethu, Texas, it's your birthday, ne?
Yeah.
Your birthday, Texas.
Yeah, King Yazalo.
Yeah.
King Yazalo, kusasa, King yaseMatatele yazalwa, inkosi.
Yes.
yaseMatatele yazalwa. Inkosi yebhola futhi.
Inkosi yebhola, yes.
Yazalwa inkosi yebhola ezinkulu 15 abakhulu yazalwa kusasa. So ngifuna ukuthi danke ukuthi bonke abantu bebenthendisa this week.
And more trend of AJ, ngifuna ukubuza right here.
Yeah.
No guys, before Amafenzi to please comment and say happy birthday to AJ. Ngifuna amachita comment that happy birthday. AJ, you've been trending on Amafenzi to mfethu. You've been trending ushukumise country no. Yo. AJ, so uzibonile lo trendile.
It means ndimkhulu mos. It means South African thanda and I'm debathanda.
Yes.
It shows ukuthi bayandithanda.
Yes.
Because if bebe comment the way ba commenta ngakona, uthi umuntu commenta kanjani opinion yakhe.
Yeah.
Ayifuni mina lonto leyo because umuntu uthethe lento akafuna ukuyithetha.
Mara kune fan ekhulumile and you said you loved what the fan said on Amafenzi wethu. They were khulume like is there something you want to say to the fan wakhona?
Yeah, ukuthi yabona sometimes ukuthi khona abantu abafuna ukuthi bave ngabanye abantu ukuthi kuthweni apha. But yena ngisho ukuthi uhambile wamamela kakuhle wava ukuthi eish lo mntu uthethe kanje wathi mina manithini ngathi nixokile kimi nathi lo mntu uthe lo mntu akatsho kanje lo mntu uthethe kanje. And then lento leni ihamba seyidifikela kwabanye abantu umuntu ongazi nokwazi ukuthi kuthethwa ngantoni naye seke yathetha. Mawuthi umbuza umuntu ukuthi okay kwenzeke ntoni akazi. But la fan lana ithethe the way ukuthi uphinde straight lento nithethile.
Yes.
And ekhona nomunye onibhikisile body waphonda wasibhikisa naye futhi waphinda lento nithethile kumaFenzi wethu. That too hard ayibo lo tata lo yaziva ukuthi uthini. Like emdala kangaka akaziva yena uthini. So ndifuna ukuthi ningayiyeki lento enenzayo namaFenzi wethu. Niqhubeke. Kaloku amaFenzi so opinion yomuntu ngeke uyichange. So ihleli njalo. So ndiyabonga ukuthi banganisele happy birthday but already sending happy birthday yabo bangithindise kamnandi ndi happy. Yeah.
So AJ, because what you were saying, you were not saying Uthuli is a bad player. That's not what you said, angithi.
Yeah. Azange mention ukuthi nomshizi zange ndithi umshizi bad player, zange ndithi umshizi is the best player, azange ndithi really is a bad player.
Yes.
Mina ngithethe nje ukuthi just leave the boy to play football. Miyeke nadlala ibhola.
Ukuthi still young.
Yeah, miyeke nadlala ibhola, focus ebholeni. Ningamfakeli izinto okushisa kakhulu. Miyeke nadlala ibhola akhululeke.
So AJ, would you feel ukuthi ama-fans yibo bafaka i-pressure emaplayini?
Yeah, sometimes yabona ingxaka ama-character ama-players fani. Khona manje ama-character ukuthi noma ama-fans angathini it's fine. Khona manje ukuthi mabethetha something ama-fans ibase down. So yabona you can't play for Chiefs and Pirates and Sundowns then if you don't have that character you know these fans they're gonna say something. You do good they're gonna say something. You do bad they're gonna say something. That's why kuthiwa ngesixhosa kuthiwa inja ayikhonkothi imoto emile.
Yes. Exactly. And then AJ ngicela ukubuza ke ne. So because abantu bebathi wena ujealous what so you are not jealous of Frida ngithi.
Nasanga nabajealous nangeplay 1. Nasanga ndivathetha ngeplayer mina. Impilo yami yonke. Sanga ndathetha ku-interview ngithethe ngeplayer. Noma ngithetha ngami kuphela.
Yes.
Because I don't want to say when you play ndithi ubani odlale kanjani ubani andiyenzi into leyo. Umuntu ndimxela straight ukuthi mhlekazi you can do better than what you are doing.
Yes.
Straight talk ndi straight talk. So ngeke ngibe nomona for umfana osakhula omncinci ndimdala kangaka.
Yes. Because you are a role model kuzo vele the younger players.
Ngeke ngibe nomona emntaneni osakhula ndibe nomona. Ndinomona wantoni because nami ngidlalile mos. Ixesha lami liphelile ngoku.
And uachievile. Look at how many trophies you won, AJ.
Awona ama-trophy asenandaba ukuthi mina ixesha lami liphelile ngoku. Yekena abantwana abadlali ba-enjoye thina sizithulele sizithathele nje masizapha sizothetha lento kumele siyithethe kuphela.
So what you can say AJ ukuthi abantu intwana bayeke idlala ibhola bangayifakeli pressure and stuff.
Enjoy intwana, enjoy ibhola layo. Bangayifakeli pressure, bangayifanisi nobani bani. Abayeke idlala ibhola, enjoy. Na isifeel ukuthi yabona ngoku. Ndachisa ngoku.
Also, so the debate was ukuthi he's at Themba's one level. Was that the debate?
Andazi debate yabo ukuthi thini. Andazi andifuna ukuyazi.
Because both of them are good players.
Yeah.
Yes, ngiyakuthola.
So you can't take away ukuthi ngoku. That's why uthiwa ngoku kufika imoto entsha ekhaya. And then need drive and then masothenga enye imoto entsha futhi. Anisayifuni le ndala seniyayitshintshela ngoku hayi ayisebenzi kanjalo. Ebholeni ayisebenzi kanjalo. Kumele nibe nenyani, umuntu onenyani will know what I'm saying.
Yes.
Umuntu onenyani but umuntu onobuqoki uzothi hayi wena vele wena what intozi what ayikho lonto leyo.
Yes, hayi ngiyabonga. So guys, we've heard it. AJ is saying ukuthi he's not jealous of Urile. You know, he's a legend, he's achieved a lot in the game. He's not jealous, but akanakwani. And then AJ ngicela ukubuza ne. So like who was your favorite coach or coachile? Like I mean looking at your career, what you've achieved, who was your best coach?
Eish, yabona apho baninzi man.
Yeah.
But if ngabala 3.
Yes.
Steve Barker, uKroll,
Yeah.
no Roger.
Roger coach Pirates.
Pirates.
And then Steve Barker.
Steve Barker tax yalo.
Oh, tax, sama tax. Yes. Ngiyakhumbula kune bank.
Yeah, ku big team enkulu.
Ngiyakhumbula vele kune yes, ngiyakhumbula bank. And then call
Pirates now.
Oh wait, was that in when you won
treble? Yes, the first treble. Yeah, no, don't worry.
So and manje iPaganez won 2 trophies. Mane chance to win a treble.
Yeah. One chance.
Yes.
So if by phone, if by hungry,
yes,
they can do it.
Yes.
That's why when ngihleli ngiwisha ngithi yo yazi iPirates istar sePirates besingidina because labantu laba bebenza istar bevele bathi ngeke nifike apho sifike khona.
Yeah.
You know bengidina la party liyana. Yabona. Sathi masidliwa ngefinal ndakwatha kabuhlungu kabi. Sange ngidlala 2 games. Ngikwatile ukuthi eish simele labantu laba bayathetha labantu laba. Bethetha vele labantu laba.
And ishe ngicela ukubuza, how did you feel ukwina i-treble la?
Yo. Ka treble bokudala iPirates akugcwele ukwina ne-league. That time asiyiwina.
Yes.
So ene sayiwina kamnandi sayiwina Orlando.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lethatha Orlando.
Sathatha esigodini.
Some means
Yabona ngose are thina sesigodini nakuzohleleka isigodi pha. Bokusesigodini pha. Bongaphumi pha. Bongekho semall pha.
Bongaphumi la.
Bongekho semall lapha. Bongekho ungene nje uthatha ama points uhamba.
AJ ngicela ukubuza ne. I hope I'm not putting you on the spot, but between Pirates and Sundowns, like which team did you really enjoy playing for? Like, or did you love the two? Like, hey, enjoy with
And I enjoy Pirates too much.
Pirates were enjoy.
Yeah.
Also, you were at Pirates for many years.
5 years Pirates.
Oh.
5 years now Sundowns.
AJ 15.
Yeah.
AJ, so what's your message, Asivala? What's your message to Sundowns and what's your message to Pirates? And the Chiefs. Give us the Chiefs, yes.
Chiefs, yes.
Chiefs.
Yo, Chiefs. The coach Chiefs offers a stats. The Chiefs have like new. Coach offers a stats. Chiefs have like new. They were number 3. Yo. Yo, course il vugile matota. Because I'll pay more. Because Ngale 7 games asele lena. Hey, Inkosi izwenza something.
So Inkosi kuyavuma.
Hey, Inkosi livukile manje.
Inkosi liyeza na.
Hey, Inkosi liyeza. Uma ngajonganga.
Yeah.
Inkosi liyeza.
Yeah.
Ngeke Inkosi yiwani, hey Inkosi yawina. Yo South Africa yonke simile yazi. Yo.
Oh.
Everyone
merazi ukuthi winile
Inkosi.
Yeah.
But Inkosi liyeza, Inkosi liyeza.
It's coming well.
No, it's coming. No.
Yeah.
Sundowns they know how to do it.
Yes.
The Pirates from Makala ukuthi abafana laba they must know what they want to do.
Yeah.
Bangavi too much about noise ngaphandle.
Yes.
Uthi noise ithi sizoyiwina lento lesizoyiwina.
Yes.
Because ngaba badlalayo.
Yes.
Inoise bangaba khona inoise.
Yeah.
But idlala groundini. So bona if abanayo lento le ukuthi bangathi siyowina before igame.
Yes.
Because lento lezo baphula umoya if abawini.
And then ngicela ukubuza, do you see Sundowns winning CAF this season? Because now they are facing Esperance and but one battery the big teams like Al Ahly seziphumile. So it's only our Esperance, our Sele. But do you see them winning CAF this season?
but ingxaki ye-caf iyi-1 xa ye-caf ngekho uyazi ukuthi ihamba njani jonga last season Sundowns ifike phi last season
Yeah.
ku-final
Yeah.
and webethini first Sundowns gonna win it against Pyramids.
Yeah.
Pyramids have a surprise. So CAF is different football.
So CAF, you never know.
No, you never know. You will never say if CAF will find like league. You know, CAF is different football.
So league, you can maybe draw a game, but the CAF is one.
Yeah, CAF is different ball game because we have to home and away. And a game here at home, a game away, as fine with CAF. Yeah.
So you think they can win it, or it's gonna be difficult?
Bona if you fatigue Ibabambi, they can do it.
Oh, because Manama came league, plus
they can do it.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. AJ, Mbongile Buffett, you've heard it. Happy birthday to AJ, and AJ has said it. Buffett to Agana Kwali, he's a legend. He's achieved. He's happy. Agana money.
Oh, no, ride the bike, no, ride the bike.
AJ, what you consider as a pelumor?
Ah, cause I'll pay more.
Okay.